First of all, I want to thank ISA, who have organized this demonstration and given me the opportunity to speak. My name is Ginny George. I am from All India Youth Federation. So what I want to say is, when a power-hungry person comes to power, they make decisions that prove to be disastrous. At first, they won't accept the mistake or take accountability for it. That we all know by now. When the public discourse turns against them, they use incompetence as a shield. The shield buys them more time from accountability and fact that the disaster was intended by design. It was not incompetence, it was not inefficiency, it was intended by design. Let's take paper leak for example. You know, the right-wing person will tell you that, you know what, no, it is a low-ranking official, it is the other people, these people are very busy, how can they, look at all of these things at once. They want these low-ranking people, officials to take fall for them. Not only, of course, they have to be blamed, but who has more power has more responsibility, hence more accountability, they must resign. Now, let me tell you how intentionally BJP has destroyed the education system in the last 12 years. I'm going to start with the worst. Can anyone tell me what is the worst thing BJP has done to the Indian education system? It came in 2025, this bill. VBSA. And I call it the last nail to the coffin of Indian education system is VBSA. VBSA stands for Viksit Bharat Shiksha Adhikaran. Now, we have something called UGC, University Grants Commission. It is no longer there. It is dissolved. University Grants Commission is dissolved. All India Council for Technical Education is dissolved. National Council for Teacher Education is dissolved. And all these highly technical nodal authorities, these are there for the advancements of every stream of particular education system, especially technical, scientific, social science, all of that. Now, all of that is replaced by a singular entity of 12 members. A singular entity of 12 members who will make decision for every stream of education, higher education in India. Now, VBSA won't provide any grant. In UGC name itself, University Grants Commission, there is grant in it. Now, VBSA won't grant anything. So the grant goes to the Education Ministry. Okay, they will decide whom to give money, whom not to give money, whatever they feel like. This will lead to the commercialization of education and privatization of public institutions. The students will not be able to pay fees because the institutions need funds, right? Where will they collect the funds when the government is not paying? They will charge additional money from the students.